Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we are going to make DIY Cyberpunk mask. All the links for the part mentioned for this project is on the description below. Before we jump right to it, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So, for the materials we are going to use is tactical mask, 2 face shield, 2 helmet side rail, 2 carabiner, and 4 pieces of helicopter toy blades, and M4 screws. First things first, take your face shield and remove the parts we don't need. And for this project, we will need 2 pieces of face shield. The drill bit we are going to use is the 3.5 drill bit. For the first face shield, take measurements same as the video shown. Mark the 0.5 cm width and the 5.5 cm length, then drill it. Do it for the both sides. And this is the result. For the second face shield, mark the 0.5 cm width and 3 cm length for the lower part, and 2 cm width and 1 cm length for the top part. Now grab your main tactical mask for the base. Drill hole in the corner using the 3.5 drill bit. For the heli blades, just use the drill bit to make it bigger. This is some screw I found in the local shop here. The screw is very long, so we need to cut it using the metal saw. Only we need is the size of 15mm and 10mm. Grab your main tactical mask and your face shield, the one with the 4 holes. Use the 15mm screw and screw it using the Allen key. Grab your second face shield, and before you attach it to the main mask, attach first the 2 heli blades on the face shield and attach it to the main mask. Use the 10mm screws. You can buy also the M4 lock screws to secure everything in place. Next is grab your tactical side railings and make sure that the longer one is in the bottom side and the shorter one is on the top side. Lock it using the 15mm screw and make sure to screw it on the portholes in the side railings. You can see it in the video show. As you can see, I didn't remove the rope dangling in the side railings to add more aesthetics on the mask. Grab the last 2 helicopter blades and attach it to the main mask. Follow the instruction on the video. Lastly, Grab your tactical carabiner and remove the two screws and replace it with a 15mm or 10mm screw. Screw the carabiner on the both sides and make sure to align its position with the railings. And now your mask is finished. Before you use it, don't forget to use some balaclava mask underneath so that if you wear it, your hair will not be visible outside. If you guys have some question about this project, please let me know on the comment section. I hope you enjoy and learn something about this video, and please again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my channel. See you again next time for another tutorial videos. Thank you.